Good morning student, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you, your online classes. Now student, what we do first, now today we write new words of the chapter number 13. But in the last lecture what we done? We completed explanation part. What is given in this chapter I explained you through the diagrams, and I also sended you some links, YouTube links that showed you this chapter with presentation, with some animation. Okay student, so please you have to watch that videos, and I think you already watched them. आप उन्हें देख चुके हो. So that video showed you this chapter with presentation, with animation. Clear? And I hope you enjoyed that videos. आपने उसे enjoy किया? Yes. Now student, explanation part over. I explained you all the things that is related to chapter number 13. What is the name of the chapter? Where plants live. I explained you this chapter. Now today we will start the writing part of this chapter. Clear? Now first we write which thing? That is the new words. How you start writing? On the first line you have to write the date, and after that day, now in the first line write chapter number 13. After that you have to write the name of the chapter. What is the name? Where plants live. Now student, leave one line and write heading, that is new words. After that write number 1. What is the number 1? First student, you open your textbook with you. Okay? First you keep your textbook with you and start writing. What is the number 1? The number 1 is habitat. Now student, if you write the new words, write first letter small. Habitat. How you spell habitat? Habitate. Now what is the meaning of this word student? What is the meaning of this word habitat? Environment. Are you all aware about the environment? Our surrounding is called our environment. Now if you want to live in your surrounding, so for that you compromise for some situations. Same way the plants modify them, are doing some changes in their features. अपनी body में कुछ changes ले आते हैं plants. So that is called that is called their habitat. Now second, for that the environment is okay. The wind, which thing we include in the environment? Wind, condition of the air, now the heating, presentation of heat. Now for that the plants doing some changes, and that place is called habitat. Now the adaptation, what is the meaning of the adaptation? These are the two words. Habitat means the place where the plants grow naturally. Plants आसानी से उस नेचर में बढ़ने लगते, ग्रोथ करने लगते. That is called their habitat. And what is the meaning of the adaptation? Adaptation. Plants doing some changes in their features. Why they doing some changes? To grow naturally in that environment. So this is called adaptation. Clear? And what is the meaning of the habitat? Fight. The plants fight against to environment. That is called their habitat. They are doing some changes and naturally growing there on the particular place. That is called their habitat. Clear? After that, right. Terrestrial. Number 3. Terrestrial. 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 These word related to land. Clear? Clear, student? Now the third one is what is the third word? First is habitat, second one is adaptation, now the third one is terrestrial. Terrestrial word related to land, means plants. We grow plants each and every place, and we have to see, we will see the plants into each and every place. But we divide the earth into the different features. Some places are plains, कुछ जगह मैदान है. Some places are hilly part, वहाँ पे पहाड़ हैं. Some parts have highly mountains. So we see plants each and every place. Trees also we found on the each and every place. So student, for that we use terrestrial word. Clear? Means plant, those are naturally grow in the land, जमीन पर जो उगते हैं. We give them a name, specific name, that is called terrestrial plant, जो जमीन पर उगते हैं. Clear? After that, write desert. 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 What is the meaning of the desert? This is the part of the land. Clear? So this part is fully covered with snow, and what is the atmosphere of this part? The environment is very hot. The wind condition is very hot. The water presentation, पानी बहुत कम मिलता है, very less. And for survive on this zone, for survive on the desert, plants doing some changes in their features. Clear? Write spines. SPI, fifth number. SPINES. Spines. Number 6. Number 6 is mountain. MOUNTAIN. Mountains. What is the mountain? This is the highest part of the earth. Clear? And basically the atmosphere of the mountain area is very windy and cool, and we see some changes in the feature of these plants and trees. Their leaves converted into the cones, needle like, and they have no flowers. फूल नहीं होते इन पौधों में. Write the name. Next, CONES, cones. 8 number. The cones are the flower and fruit of the plant. Those are found in the mountain areas. And their leaves like a needle. कांटे जैसी होती है उनकी पत्तियां. Needle जैसी. Sharp. Now the next is CONIFEROUS, conifers. CONIFEROUS, conifers. Right, next, conifer. Number 10 is deciduous trees. Number 10, deciduous trees. DECIDUOUS. Deciduous plants. Basically, these plants shed their leaves in the winter season and bear again the new leaves in the spring season. Now the number 11. What is the number 11? Plains. PLAINS. Plains are the flat surface of the earth. And basically human beings use this part of the earth for the living and growing crops. And we found which types of plants here, like an umbrella. Their leaves are very broad, greeny, and the water presentation is, पानी कैसा होता है यहाँ पर? The plant gets so much water or sufficient water in this place. And what is the structure of their stem? Stem are very thick and woody. The example of the plant that we grow in the land, that is neem, mango, banyan. These are the very high plants. They are growing well in this place. After that, marshy, next one, MARSHY. Marshy, this is related to water, this word. Because the place of marshy places fully covered with water and plants, we found plants also there. And what is the structure of the plant? Those are basically found in the marshy area. They have fibrous root and the texture of the soil is muddy. Means the soil mixed with water and also the plants growing there. Clear? Now next one is aquatic plants. 31. AQUATIC. Aquatic plants. Aquatic plants. Aquatic word related to water. Plants, those are found in the water, we give them name aquatic plant. Clear? Next one is floating. FLOATING. P-L-A-N-T, floating plant. Now the 15 number is floating means plant those are only survive or living in the surface of the water. Clear? And for them their stem support, because the structure of the stem is like a होली पेन. सपोज अगर इस पेन से आप पूरा निकाल दोगे इंक तो ये क्या हो जाएगी, खाली हो जाएगी. तो स्टेम कैसा होता है, खाली होता है. तो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट द प्लांट्स फ्लोटिंग ऑन द surface of the water. And also next one, fixed plant, F-I-X-E-D, fixed plant. What is the meaning of the fixed plant? Such a types of plants fixed in a bottom of the water. Their root fixed in a one place, and only the upper side of the plant floating on the water. Clear? And they have fibrous root. So this is the new words. Once again I repeat for you, student. After that we write next number. First one is habitat. You all know about the habitat. These are the conditions where plants live or survive or grow naturally. That is called habitat. Adaptation, plants doing some changes or modify them for the living in the particular environment. That is called adaptation. Now the terrestrial, this is related to land. And fourth one is desert. This is the part of the terrestrial zone. Spines are the part of the plant, those are found in the desert area. The leaf of that plant doing some changes and converted into the spines. After that, mountains. These are the highest part of the earth. Cones, C-O-N-E-S, cones. Coniferous, C-O-N-I-F-E-R-O-U-S. We give the name of plant, those are found in the mountain area. That is called coniferous, because cones found in that plant. After that, conifers. This is the name. Deciduous trees. These trees shed their leaves, and these trees also found in the mountain areas, but they shed their leaves in the autumn season and also growing new leaves in the spring season. Now plain, this is the part of the earth. This is the flat surface of the earth. We found here so many cities and human beings also growing crops here, and we see so many different types of fruity plants here, trees here, and big trees also. Now marshy, this is marshy, M-A-R-S-H-Y. Marshy, this is the part of the earth, but we found here only water and mud, and plants also survive here, because the plants have some special features to survive in the marshy areas. Now aquatic plants. Aquatic word related to water. Plants, those are live in the water, we give them name, that is called aquatic plant. And again we divide the plant into three categories. Those are found in the in the water. Floating plants, F-L-O-A, 14 number, F-L-O-A-T-I-N-G-P-L-A-N-T-S, floating plants. Plants, those are only floating और तैरते रहते हैं पानी के ऊपर. कैसे तैरते हैं? क्योंकि उनमें कुछ स्पेशल फीचर्स होते हैं. fixed plant. These plants, root of the plants fix themselves in the one place because the root of these plants hold the soil. Now, this is the 15 new words. First one is habitat, second one is adaptation, third one is terrestrial, fourth one is desert, fifth one is spines, sixth one is mountains, 7 number cones, 8 number coniferous, 9 number conifers, 10 number deciduous trees, 11 number plants, 12 number marshy, 13 number aquatic plants, 14 number floating plants, 15 number is fixed plants. Now write 16 number. Sixteen number is chlorophyll, CHLOROPHYLL. 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 What is the meaning of the chlorophyll? This is the pigment. We found this pigment in the leaf. With the help of this pigment, plants prepare their food. But non-greeny plants we also found on the earth. That is mushroom. The mushroom have no chlorophyll. So how these plants survive on the earth? It grow in the dead part of the animal or the plant. They get their food with the dead animals and dead plants. Clear? Write number 17. Insectivores. Number insectivores. Insectivores plants. Insectivores plants. These plants not prepare food for them. They eat insects. They have some special features. Through them, they have their food with the help of the insects. Clear? Now, next one is grass. Last. This is the last word. Grass. Number chlorophyll, 17 insectivores plants, and 18 number is grass. Now student, your new words finished here. Now student, your new words finished here. We wrote how many new words? 18 new words in this chapter. Now we complete only book exercise today. That is given in the page number 91 and 92. Page number 91 and 92. Okay. So for that you have to open your book. Open the page number 92 and 91. Sorry. First you open 91. The question number A. What is given in the A number? Tick write the correct option. First number. What is given in the first number? Which one is an example of desert plant? Okay. Which one is an example of desert plant? Three options given. What is given in the number A? Pine. What is given in the number B? Date palm. Now what is given in the number C? Banyan. What is given in the question? Which one is an example of desert plant? Means three name given here. You have to find out the name. Which plant we found in the desert area? Pine? No. Pine is we found in the mountain area. Date palm? This is the correct option. We found date palm in the desert area. And where we found banyan tree? We found banyan tree in the plain area. Okay? So, tick the option number B. Now, the question number 2. What is given in the question number 2? Plant growing in this area. Plant growing plants growing in these areas have needle-like leaf. Needle-like leaf. What is given in the number A? Mountain. What is given in the number B? Desert. Now the C, plains. What is given in the question? Plants growing in these areas have needle-like leaves. Mountain, desert and plains. What is the correct answer? Mountain. Plants, those are found in the mountain area. They changes their leaves in the needle-like structure. सुई जैसी बदल जाती है इनकी पत्तियां. And desert, their leaves change into the spines. And plains, plants those are found in the plain areas. Their leaves are, what is the structure of the leaves? They have broad leaves. And what is the color of the leaf? Green. So the answer is mountain areas. Number 3. What is given in the number 3? Read that. In which area do plants have flat leaves which shed them during autumn or winter? So find the answer. Read the chapter. Number 3. In which area do plant have flat leaves? Student, I don't write full question here. Write options. Number 3, desert. Now what is given in the number B? Water. Now number C is plains. What is given in the question? Read once again. In which area do plants have flat leaves which shed them or during autumn or winter season? Now desert area. What is the feature of the plant? Those are found in the desert area. Leaves. Some plants have leaves and some have spines. तो ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि उनकी फ्लैट हो लीव्स. वाटर हो सकता है, बट प्लांट्स दोज आर फाउंड इन द वाटर, दे डोंट शेड देयर लीव्स. वो अपनी पत्तियां थोड़ी झड़ाते हैं. So correct answer is plains. Why we take the plains? Because the plant those are found in the plain areas. They shed their leaves. And the plant is peepal, neem, mango, banyan. Okay. So correct option is plains. Fourth number. Which one is an insectivorous plants? What is given in the fourth number? Which one is an insectivorous plant? Options A, banyan. Number B, rose. Now C, sundew. Banyan, we found banyan in the plain areas. And कभी देखा है कि पीपल के पेड़ ने आपको काट लिया हो? हुआ है कभी? No. Okay, so this is not the answer. Rose, we get rose from the rose plant. We get flower. Now the sundew is the correct option. These plants eat the insect. Clear? So this is the correct answer. Fourth number, what is given in the fourth number? Which one is an insectivorous plant? कौन सा पौधा इनमें से किसको खाता है? इंसेक्ट्स को, छोटे कीड़ों को खाता है. Some other names also given in your textbook. Read that. Now the number 5. Number 5. These plants are totally submerged in water. These plants are totally submerged in water. A number is floating plant. Number B is underwater plants. Now the C number is fixed plant. Now student, this question related to aquatic plants. These plants are totally submerged in water. So these are three types of the water, aquatic plants, floating plants, underwater plants and fixed plants. तो which plants submerged, पूरी तरह से डूबे होते हैं पानी में? That is underwater plant. Correct answer is B, underwater plant. These plants totally covered with water or it found be in the bottom of the water surface. पानी की सतह पे हम इनको पाएंगे. Okay? So this is the question number A completed here. Now open the page number 92. A completed. Now question number B, give reasons. So student, when we write the question answer, that time we have to write the answer of this question. Now open the page number 92. On the page number 92, true and false given. Student, I don't write the whole sentence here. We only write the answer of these sentences. Okay? Page number 92, true and false. What is given in the number 1? C, true or false. Read the sentence carefully and find out the answer. Plants growing in desert have lots of leaves. What is the meaning of this sentence? Once again read this. Plants growing in desert have lots of leaves. जो पौधे या जो पेड़ रेगिस्तान में उगते हैं उनमें बहुत सारी पत्तियां होती हैं. ट्रू और फॉल्स? फॉल्स. फर्स्ट फॉल्स. जो पौधे रेगिस्तान में उगते हैं उनमें पत्तियां ज्यादा नहीं होती है. नंबर 2, फ्लोटिंग प्लांट्स हैव फाइब्रस रूट सिस्टम. Floating plant have fibrous root system. Find your answer. True. Clear? Now the number 3. Number 3, what is given in the number 3? Non-green plants get their food from the dead animals. What is given in the number 3? Non-green plants get their food from the dead objects. Yes. I give you example and explain you about the mushrooms. Dead plants growing in the which surface? Dead animals, body of the dead animals and the plants, because these plants are the non-green plants. They have no chlorophyll. So this sentence is true. ये पौधे अपना खाना नहीं बनाते हैं क्योंकि क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता है इनमें. Bamboo is the tallest grass. Yes. बेम्बू मीन्स बांस. बांस तो सबने देखे हैं ना, सबसे बड़ी घास होती है. नाउ द नंबर 5. नंबर 5 इज इंसेक्टिवर्स प्लांट्स डू नॉट हैव ग्रीन पिगमेंट कॉल्ड क्लोरोफिल. नो. नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट हैव नो क्लोरोफिल. द इंसेक्टिवर्स हैव क्लोरोफिल. इनमें होता है क्लोरोफिल. सो दिस इज फॉल्स. Clear student? This is the true and false. Once again we repeat it. What is given in the number 1? Plants growing in desert have lots of leaves. False. इनमें पत्तियां ज़्यादा नहीं होती है। नंबर 2, फ्लोटिंग प्लांट्स हैव फाइब्रस रूट सिस्टम, यस, नंबर 2 इज ट्रू। नंबर 3, नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स गेट देयर फूड फ्रॉम द डेड ऑब्जेक्ट, यस, ट्रू। Bamboo is the tallest grass, true. Now the fifth number, insectivorous plants do not have green pigment called chlorophyll, false. Plant, those are non-greeny plant. They get their food from the dead animals. They have not chlorophyll. Okay, student. So this is the book exercise and new words. Today we finished here, and I hope you repeat it and write in the neat and clean handwriting and learn that. Okay, I finish my lecture here. Bye bye.